Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another Cook Like the Yeungs. Today I am showing you a baked version of the New Zealand mussel. So I have some beautiful baked New Zealand mussel fresh from the oven. Look how great they are. This is great for appetizer or just some finger foods for your friends and family to enjoy when they are over at your house. So let me show you how quickly this can be done. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the Food Travel Shopping channel and go ahead and hit the like button at the end of this video so then more viewer like you can see this video. Also, follow my Instagram. I will post it up here. So let's get cooking. Alright, hi guys. I am picking some peppers for this dish. So I got some green peppers here. Some nice yellow one. All of these are waiting to be turned yellow, but look at this beauty. Very nice yellow. We got some red peppers here. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pick my peppers. And then some green peppers. These are nothing too special, the green ones. But just wanna give you a quick tour. Got some Indian eggplants here this year. Look at this big one. This one's gonna be the black eggplant. We had some trouble with the black eggplant this year, unfortunately. Got some basil here and some strawberry. You can see the little strawberry there. And then some tomatoes. Okay, so these are the white eggplants. We had that last year. And some chilies, peppers, jalapenos. Okay, my fig tree is actually growing some fruits here. Ooh, nice. I just realized. This is awesome. Alright, anyway, let's go back and cut our peppers. Alright, so I'm going to rotate this here, the red ones. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut this one right here. Alright, so there it is. I need a yellow one. Okay, voila. There's my yellow one. Okay, I have a green one at home, so I'm not gonna cut any of these. The green ones. All right, so let me go back in. Okay, so here are the ingredients to make our baked New Zealand mussel here. Okay, so let's take a look at our mussel here. So get the box open, and in this case, you have your mussel. Okay, so these are previously frozen. And I'm gonna go ahead and soak it in water. Okay, so go ahead and soak it in water and just let it sit. And we're gonna go do our stuffing here first. All right, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add the bacon pieces. All right, so render out the fat for about a minute. All right, so then add in the shallot. Okay, go ahead and now add in the peppers after another minute. Go ahead and season it with some black pepper here. Okay, so half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, add in our garlic now. Okay, add in our obe, as well as the parsley flakes. All right, so I'm gonna put the butter in because I'm gonna add the panko in. So we're gonna get the butter melted completely first. All right, so once the butter is melted, now we can add the panko. Okay, so let the panko kind of absorb all those butter and the bacon fats. So you can stir it around. All right, so now this is our stuffing for the mussel. And now you can turn off your heat and let this cool down a little bit. And then we're gonna go ahead and stuff it. All right, so now after we are, this is cooled down, we now can scoop this up and actually just go ahead and stuff it. Okay, in the meantime, you wanna set your oven to 350 degrees for preheat. All right, so you can pat it down a little bit. Now, I believe I did miss a step that I forgot to record for you guys, that the mussel, I actually pat it down with a paper towel, so you can do that as well. Yeah, this is actually super easy to do. Great appetizer. All right, I'm gonna finish this off here and then I'll show you the results once I stuff them all. All right, so I have stuffed everything and take a look at the results here. So I want to show you a little close up. This is how it looks like after you stuff it. And now we're gonna put it into the oven for 350 degrees and we're gonna do it for 8 minutes here, or basically until the pankos is kind of golden brown here. So I ran out of space, so a couple of them are actually laying on top a little bit. And that's okay, not too terrible in terms of the overlay. So yeah, let's go bake it. Okay, so I have my rack pulled out. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put this in to the oven. I'm using convention oven right now, so this is gonna help, really circulate the heats really well. And now I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer for 8 minutes. Okay, so let's take it out. So I did it for an additional 3 more minutes instead. So the total time here is approximately 13 to 15 minutes, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and plate it nicely and I'm gonna show it to you. All right, so we're just gonna individually, carefully place them nicely on the plate. So this is the end result of my baked New Zealand green mussel here. So this is just delicious. So with a little crunch here with the panko, the Japanese panko, and some bacon and bell peppers. And the color is just so inviting, and this is great for appetizer.
Oh my god.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button below, and don't forget to Don't forget to subscribe to the Food Travel Shopping channel if you're new to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Cook Like the Youngs.